Okay, here we go. We're gonna make for the work points, axes, and planes. We're gonna make the shape. So let's make that shape really quick. We're gonna start with a circle. We're not dimensioning anything. We're just gonna make it look somewhat similar. If it doesn't look that similar, that's fine. And then we're gonna trim some extra stuff. And then hit finish. And then we are going to extrude, and that looks pretty good. So we're going to leave it just like that. So it doesn't look exactly, but it's pretty close. So we're going to do some different work planes. So first we're going to start by making an axis, which will be useful later on. So to do that we need 2 points. So we're going to click on points and click here and here. And now we can do an axis between 2 points, and now we've got an axis, which will be helpful later on. So I'm going to delete that one. Next up we're going to do a plane. So we're going to make some work planes so we can attach a plane to a surface. So I'm going to click plane and click on a surface, and there we go. Now I have a work plane on a different surface, so I can start to build stuff up here even though it's not really attached to that surface. Okay, so we get rid of that one. Next we can make a plane away from another surface. So if I click on a surface and then click it again and drag it, I can move another work plane to any location that I want. So here's another one. Up next, we're going to do one on an angle. So we're going to click on the little down arrow, and we're going to click on angle around an edge. So we're going to click on an edge, and then type in an angle that we want. So let's do like 45. And there we go. Now we have an angle. Obviously we can change that angle to whatever we want. We can make one between 2 edges. So we're going to go to here, and then between 2 coplanar edges is what we're going to select, here and here. And now we've got another work plane. We can do one kind of off angle by using 3 points. So we're going to select on 3 points and click here, here, and here. And now we have something similar, but it's on a funny angle. We're going to do one tangent to the cylinder. So we're going to pick the cylinder, and then we're also going to pick a plane. So over here we're going to open up origins, and then so we're going to click plane, tangent through a plane. So we're going to click on the surface, and then we're going to click on the plane that we want it parallel to. So we want it parallel to that one. So now it's going to be tangent and parallel to that plane. And this one is the same idea, and so is this one, and then we'll do an angle plane. So we'll go back to through 2 edges, so we'll do here and here, and then we're going to go back to plane and then offset from another plane. So we're going to click on this plane, and we're going to offset it a little bit, and so we can see how it's offset. And then we're going to go back and do the same thing offset, click on that plane, offset it a little bit. And so we can have multiple planes going from the same one. And that is it.